Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by me Sabache, and I am Ricardo, the seller of the DMCA Home. So today, tara samahan nyo ako at i-update ko kayo sa construction ni The Valeron Towers. Okay po? Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan nyo ako i-update ko kayo sa discuss ko po sa inyo sa project update natin para kayo. Best Investments by me Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of the DMCA Home. Hello po, kumusta po kayo? So it's been a while since my last video dito kay The Valeron Towers, kasi yung last time na video ko dito is nandun lang ako sa showroom namin along C5, pero right now nandito ako para ibigyan ko kayo ng construction update niya dito para sa project natin. So the Valeron Towers is located along C5 Road and PE Antonio Street in Barangay Ugong, okay, Pasig City. So ito po, kung familiar kayo dun sa intersection sa may Shell going to Julio Vargas, nandito lang siya sa other side. So dito po sa project na to, as of July 2025, nasa 10% completion na tayo. So kung makita ninyo, nakapag ground break na tayo, may foundation na tayo, pataas na yung building natin. So for this project, this is a 55-story high-rise residential condominium po that composed of studio unit, meron tayong 1-bedroom unit, meron tayong 2-bedroom unit, and meron tayong 3-bedroom unit. Okay, and also this project is a joint venture between DMCA Homes and Marubeni Corporation. Is a Japanese corporation. Kilala po ito pong corporation natin, and matagal na rin po dito sa atin sa Philippines. Okay, and also what is good about this project, this project is near business district like Ortigas, and malapit rin ito kay Bonifacio Global City. Okay, and also meron tayong running promo dito sa project na to. Siguro magpo-post na lang ako ng another video for the sample computations para dito sa project na to, para makita nyo yung pricing natin for this project, kasi medyo difference, a little bit higher lang ito kumpara doon sa mga existing projects natin, because this is a joint venture, and then also dito sa ground floor niya meron tayong commercial establishments. Yun ang kagandahan dito sa project natin, and combined sa resort-inspired amenities natin, and also with a magnificent view nung mga city skyline natin dito. Okay? Ayan, so that's it. So that's for the construction update for this project. And if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers na naka-flash screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng call and presentation by Zoom, and pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. So pwede ko kayo dalhin dito and doon sa model unit na sa showroom natin, okay, sa tapat ng Lanusa. Ayan, may mga model units tayo doon na 2-bedroom unit and 3-bedroom unit, para makita niyo yung mga upgraded units natin doon that we offer here in the Valeron Towers. Okay, so thank you very much for watching po, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube ay mananotify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye bye po.